Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly enable dark mode in Google Docs on your iPhone. Let's get right to it. First, open the Google Docs app on your iPhone. Look at the top left corner of the screen, and you'll see the hamburger icon, which is 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that icon to open the menu. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options. Next, tap on the Settings option. This will bring up another set of options. Here, you'll find an option labeled Theme. Tap on Chose Theme, and you'll be presented with choices like Light, Dark, and System Default. Simply select the Dark option. As soon as you do, Google Docs will switch to dark mode. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in Google Docs on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.